Hey guys, so today my son wants to make lunch for us. Can you say hello?
Hello.
So this is my second son and he loves to join me in the kitchen. So today he said he wants to make lunch. This is his second time making lunch and today he's making noodles. So I'm there to assist him and I love that he likes to cook, unlike the senior one that doesn't like to enter kitchen. So this is me putting him through, telling him to cut the onion, cut the tomato, the bell pepper, all the veggies he's gonna use. So guys, please watch, then rate him on the comment section. Over 10. Rate him. Let him know how well he did. Okay? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please like, comment, and share as well. Thank you so much, and I will leave you to watch the remaining video. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.